It would be hard to find somebody who didn't like pizza. The combination of the pillowy soft pizza dough that gets nice and crisp in a hot oven with all your favorite toppings, with melted cheese, it's a sensational combination. And they're not difficult to make. And the great thing is when you make it at home, of course, you can choose your own toppings and everybody can have a custom designed pizza. Now, there's many ways in which you can bake pizza. Some ovens actually have a designated pizza mode, but I've found that when I bake pizza in convection using a stone or a steel, then the best thing to do is use the convection bake mode. Some ovens actually have a mode called turbo, and that's even better for baking pizza. Let me explain. When you use the traditional bake mode, you only have heat from the bottom and the top heating element will cycle on from time to time for browning. But where you want the heat in when you make pizza is intensely in the bottom. So if you choose the convection bake or the convection turbo mode, basically what will happen is the bottom heating element will get really, really hot, and that fan is also generating heat that it's circulating around the oven. That's why it's called turbo. So it's sensational, as you can see. Creates really great pizza with beautiful crusts that are nicely cooked through, which is what you want. In terms of temperature, obviously if you can get your oven up to 500 degrees, that would be ideal. And your stone or your steel should heat up for about 15 to 20 minutes. Get it nice and hot, you'll have great results. Other than that, don't over decorate your pizzas because then they're harder to cook through. So I like making multiple smaller pizzas and giving everybody a taste of everything. In terms of cooking time, well, as you know, all ovens are different, but generally it could be 5 to 7 minutes per pizza. As the oven gets hotter, they'll probably cook faster. So again, it might surprise you that convection with bottom heat, either the turbo mode in your oven or the convection bake mode, will give you sensational results with pizza. And you don't have to go outside and light up your outdoor oven. You can do it all in the comfort of your own kitchen. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.